Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a wicked cool 1965 Chevrolet Malibu. It's a great body style, very cool car. I actually sold this car a couple of years ago. Car was originally out of Georgia. That's where I got the car from. It's got like 1,900 miles on a body up restoration. Love the red on red. It's Regal red with the red vinyl interior. It's got a good running 350 Chevy small block, Muncie 4-speed. Fun little car to drive. Disc brakes, power steering. They've got it lowered down a little bit. Really cool little car. Looks like it's got the original trim. Pick it in a little bit. Definitely has newer bumpers. Stainless is pretty nice. Padded dash. Dual chrome mirrors. It's got the aftermarket hat rack in there in the back with the speakers. Good little car. Again, you can kind of pick at the trim a little bit. I know it's got a touch-up mark up here. Again, you can pick at the paint a little bit. A car, I'll tell you, is nice and flat. It's nice and straight down the sides. Again, car's got a good stance. You can see here. That's the worst blemish there is on the car. Everything else is just little touch-ups. Nice and straight down the sides. Like I said, killer stance. Fun little car. Those are 17 and 18 inch torque American Racing torque thrust wheels. It's got the front disc brakes with the drop spindles. Pretty car. 350. Again, Muncie 4-speed, Holley 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake. Nice little cam to it. Does have headers, HEI distributor. Again, power steering, power front disc brakes. He actually just replaced the clutch, the pressure plate, and then he put a new Hurst Competition shifter. He said that stuff's brand new. It's got the Harrison radiator in it. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I know everybody's wearing me out. A-pillar chrome is really nice. Again, dual chrome mirrors. That's just little water spots on the mirror. Same thing with the door handles. Just little water spots on it. They'll come right off. You know, I probably got 14, 15 cars coming, guys. We're trying to get them here as fast as we can. I love the red on red. So make sure you're keeping track of our website. Try to post stuff as soon as it gets here. Bucket seats. Again, brand new Hurst Competition shifter, sports steering wheel. It's got 1909. It's getting ready to turn. That's what's on the resto. Aftermarket Retrosounds radio. It's got the kick panel speakers. Pro tach engages. Dual exhaust. It's got a 10-bolt 323 rear axle, rear sway bar. So like I said, the car drives great. They finished the trunk here in carpet. Matter of fact, the guy said, yeah, you can see a little wetness there. I guess he shipped it over with a bottle of wax in it. The bottle broke, so we'll make sure that gets dried up. Aftermarket radio mounted in the trunk. Clean underneath. Just a good car, man. If you're looking for a fun driver, I think you're gonna love this car, man. Really hits the road good. Seats are good. It's got the aftermarket seat belts in it. Gauges are nice and clean. Go ahead, Dave. Yeah. The filler chrome's nice. Yeah, nice little cam. It's not over the top, man. You're looking for a nice driver. I think you're gonna like that car. Tach works. Gauges are up there. Gauges down there working. It's holding good oil pressure. Parking brake's on and it works, Nathan. Good sound. Radio works.
All those things are going to be included.
Everything opens and closes nice. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us.